Here I am connecting ESP8266 microcontroller with MQ2 gas sensor. So this will detect the gas. So this is the coding part written for this gas sensor and ESP8266. So if we are spraying a gas or anything to the gas sensor, near to the gas sensor, then the gas level will get changed. So and then I have also connected this to so Thinkspeak also I have connected. So first we will see this one. So the gas level is normal. So the normal level, I am going to spray the gas. After 67, yeah, it's getting increased. After I am spraying the gas, gas level is getting increased. And this we can monitor in Thinkspeak also. I have given a channel in Thinkspeak, so you can't able to see the variance now. So now I'll again spray the gas and I'll show you the difference of the gas level. So again I'll spray the gas now. So again I'm spraying the gas now. So now the gas level will be changing from 80 to 73 to 80. So 75 it's getting increased. So after I'm pressing the gas, it's getting increased. So now we can monitor in the, now we can see the variance in the last part. Thank you. This is the gas level sensor.